Are you ready to explore the giants of the automotive world? You know, those big names that make the cars we see every day, from zippy little hatchbacks to those SUVs that could conquer a mountain. In this video, we're going to take a spin around the globe, checking out the top car companies, their coolest cars, and how they're shaping the future of driving. So put your pedal to the metal, crank up the tunes, and get ready for a wild ride.
First up, it's Toyota, a name synonymous with reliability. I mean, these cars are practically indestructible, right? They're everywhere. But Toyota's not just about building cars that last a lifetime. They're also pushing boundaries with their latest models. Have you seen the new Prius? It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's packed with more tech than a Silicon Valley startup. And let's not forget about their SUVs like the Ray V4 and Highlander. These are perfect for families on the go, with plenty of space for kids, luggage, and maybe even the family dog. Toyota's even got a foot in the future with their hydrogen-powered Mirai. It's like they took a page out of a sci-fi movie and made it a reality. Honestly, Toyota's doing it all, and they're doing it well.
Next, we're heading over to Germany to check out Volkswagen, a company that's been around for ages, like since before I was even a twinkle in my dad's eye. And they've got a car for everyone, from the iconic Beetle to the sporty Golf. I mean, who hasn't driven a Golf at some point in their life? It's like a rite of passage. But Volkswagen's not just about the classics, they're also making waves with their electric vehicles, like the ID.4, which is giving Tesla a run for its money. And with their huge market share, they're really making a global impact. It's like they're saying, we're Volkswagen, and we're here to stay.
Now we're jumping into the fast lane with Tesla, the company that's turned the electric car world upside down. I mean, Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla, is like a real-life Tony Stark. He's got big dreams and he's not afraid to take risks. And Tesla's cars are like something out of a futuristic dream. Have you seen the Model S? It's like a spaceship on wheels. It's got crazy acceleration, a massive touchscreen, and it can even drive itself. But Tesla's not just about flashy cars. They're also building a network of charging stations around the world, making it easier than ever to go electric. And with their commitment to sustainable energy, they're showing the world that driving can be both fun and good for the planet. They're like the rock stars of the car world, shaking things up and changing the game.
Okay, let's head back to the USA to talk about Ford, a company that's as American as apple pie and baseball. They've been building cars for over a century, and they're known for their tough trucks and reliable SUVs. I mean, the F-150 is practically a national treasure, right? It's the best-selling vehicle in America for a reason. But Ford's not just about trucks. They're also making big moves in the electric vehicle market with the Mustang Mach-E, an electric SUV that's turning heads. And they're partnering with companies like Google to develop self-driving technology. They're like the old-school cool kids on the block, still going strong and adapting to the times.
Finally, we're ending our journey with General Motors, another American giant that's been around for ages. They've got a whole bunch of brands under their belt like Chevrolet, Buick, and Cadillac. And they've been responsible for some of the most iconic cars in history like the Corvette and the Camaro. I mean, who doesn't love a good muscle car, right? But General Motors is also looking towards the future with their electric vehicles like the Chevy Bolt and the GMC Hummer EV. And they're investing heavily in self-driving technology. They're like the wise old sage of the car world, with a wealth of experience and a vision for what's to come.
Well, there you have it, folks. A quick tour of the giants of the automotive world. These companies are shaping the future of driving, from electric vehicles to self-driving cars. It's an exciting time to be a car enthusiast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite car brand. And stay tuned for more detailed reviews on each company in upcoming videos. We'll delve deeper into their history, their latest models, and their plans for the future.